Get you out of my mind.
Hey everyone, it's Vidhi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you that how I edit my Instagram pictures on phone. Now talking about the editing apps that I use, I basically use two apps for editing, that is Snapseed and Lightroom. And sometimes I use PicsArt also, and they are super easy to use. So yeah, let's get into the editing thing. Firstly, let's open the picture in Snapseed that you want to edit. Snapseed is really easy to use and I love its features. I'll go on the adjustment tool to fix few things like brightness, highlights and contrast. My favorite tool is ambience. It just changes the whole vibe of the picture. For this particular picture, I have increased the ambience. I like my feed to be colorful and you guys can see the difference by just tapping on it. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना यूज़ इज़ द हीलिंग टूल. ये बेसिकली अनवांटेड थिंग्स को रिमूव करने के लिए है. आई एम गोना रिमूव दिस पाइप थिंग फ्रॉम द पिक्चर. कभी कभी इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट इफ़ योर पिक्चर हैज़ मोर एलिमेंट्स, बट दिस वन वॉज रियली रियली ईजी.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there?
Now I'm gonna use the selective tool to increase the brightness of my face because यहाँ पर lighting source was from behind and it came out too dark. Now I'll open the image in Lightroom. You can always click on auto and adjust your picture accordingly, but I'm gonna do it manually. Click on the light, play with the features. There is no fixed scheme, guys. You can just adjust it according to your requirement.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
Now click on the color option. I like my pictures to be vibrant, so I'll increase the vibrance. Go to mix option. This is my favorite thing to do. You can color correct your pictures and it changes the whole vibe of the picture. For example, if you change the hue of red, it will change the red elements in the picture. Similarly, if you change orange, then it will change your skin tone. But in this particular picture, I want to play with sky colors. Click on yellow. I'll decrease the hue and increase the saturation. Similarly, I'll go on dark blue and decrease the hue and increase the saturation.
Can I take you there? You're nice. Can I take you there? You're nice.
Go on effects. You can change texture and clarity. You can also adjust dehaze or vignette, sharpen the image a little bit and see the difference. It just changes the whole thing. Now a lot of you guys asked me that how I edit these mirror pictures without a mirror. So open your picture in PicsArt. I have already edited this on Lightroom. Now go on sticker option, type mirror. You will get a lot of options there. Download whatever you like. I am going to download this one.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember?
Now you can see that these are actually mirror frames, not mirror. Adjust accordingly, go to the tools option, crop the image. Click on FX. It has amazing filters, guys. You can also adjust these filters.
Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
I like the film 3. ये काफ़ी vintage look देता है pictures को. I'm going to reduce the noise a little bit and increase the fade.
Can I take you there? 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 Can I take you there?
Now I'll add dust particles to enhance it more. Go on mask option, then dust. Then there are a lot of options in there. I'll go with the dust 3 and it's done. This is what the picture looks like. I really loved it how it turned out.
Can I take you there? 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 Can I take you there?